Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I'm going to go over two things that I made for Minerva that were my most recent Minerva makes. So let's get started. First of all, let me welcome you back to the channel if you are returning. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise and this is my channel, Sewlimitless. So the first thing that I did, or my most recent, was this gold top here. This is basically it's a t-shirt, and I made this for Minerva. A lot of you know that I am a Minerva maker, which means I am gifted fabric by them. They are located in England and they ship all around the world. They have Minerva makers for all around the world. And for my project for this fabric that I chose, this is a French terry loop back French terry knit. It's a medium weight knit. It's pretty hefty. It's not a heavyweight fabric, but it feels good. It's as we're going into fall, the fall season right now, this is a really nice weight of fabric to wear this time of year where it starts to get a little bit cool. This shirt in particular is a 3/4 sleeve. It's not the long sleeve. And let me show you the pattern I used. It's the Wardrobe by Me Wardrobe Builder t-shirt. I believe they've changed the name now to just the Wardrobe Builder, something like that. They changed the name, but it's a really good pattern. It's got a lot of variations as far as sleeves, neckline, and hemline as well. So really very nice pattern. It's a PDF. I can see if I can leave a link down below. But this fabric is really nice because it's got a gold thread on top of these cream colored stripes here. There's a gold thread. It's really pretty that runs through the top and bottom of the fabric. Now, as always, I always pre-wash my fabric, whether it is a knit or a woven fabric, it doesn't matter. For this, I just pre-washed and dried like I treat it as I normally would once the garment is made. For making it, as far as putting it together, I used the serger and a zigzag stitch for all the construction on this, mostly the serger. This is a project that took maybe a couple of hours at the most to put together. Now I did use for the hems, because I do not have a cover stitch machine, so I did use a double needle, or what do they call it, a twin needle. The one I have here is a 4.0, I guess, and 80, size 80. I'll see if I can find something like this online to show you. This is the one that I use, and I use this one mostly because I like the width of the two needles, and you always use a straight stitch with that. And I do increase the length of the stitch to about a 3.5 to 4, depending on what it is. If you have a cover stitch machine, I guess you wouldn't have to worry about that. You would just use your cover stitch. But like I said, I don't have that, so I use the twin needle. Now, the most recent thing that I've made, also using Minerva fabric, is this shirt. Now, the fabric should seem familiar because one of my most recent videos was the palazzo pants that I made from this fabric, same fabric. And I had about a little over 2 yards remaining, and it's a 59-60 inch wide fabric. So with that, I really wanted to make a shirt. So I chose this pattern. This is one that I've had in my pattern stash. It's McCall 6613. This one is actually still available, and I can leave a link for you. I made view D, which is just the long sleeve top without any pockets or anything like that on it. It does have cuffs just like all the others. I made this one, View D, as I said, and for this is a viscose challis fabric, so it's gorgeous. It's super soft and flowy, which is why I really wanted some type of a shirt for the rest of the fabric that I had. Very easy to sew. This does wash very well. I had no problem as far as putting in the buttonholes for this. My Bernina has an automatic buttonholer. Most sewing machines are going to have a buttonhole attachment, so that shouldn't be any kind of issue. I did use, I believe, about a size 12 needle for this. I didn't want to obviously use anything too big, but I used a size 12 needle, I believe, for this. And that worked out fine. I didn't have any issues with anything as far as that. Two things that I think are very easy. This pattern is available at the Minerva site, I know, also. And the fabric is also available, so I can leave you some links for those things. So that is it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about anything down below. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell. I appreciate all of you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.